Find or read reviews that people are talking about YABLAM 16W RPM high-speed hair dryer for fast drying. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Unleash the power of 16W RPM ultra high-speed motor. This isn't just a faster dry, it's a revolution in hair care. We offer 50% faster drying with less heat damage than traditional dryers. The concentrated airflow lifts hair from the root for incredible volume, while swiftly sealing the hair cuticle to lock in natural shine and moisture. Transform your daily routine into a 2-minute luxury for effortlessly salon sleek hair every day. Experience the future of quiet hair styling. Our advanced acoustic engineering achieves a remarkably low 0.88 pounds noise level, quieter than a hushed conversation. This means you can dry your hair early in the morning or late at night without worrying about disturbing others' sleep or peace. The innovative noise suppression technology doesn't compromise on power, delivering a robust airflow you can barely hear and enjoying a calm and relaxing styling session. Say goodbye to heavy, cumbersome dryers. Our Featherlight Champion is designed for ultimate comfort. Its ergonomically balanced body fits perfectly in your palm, eliminating wrist strain and arm fatigue during extended styling sessions or when tackling thick, long hair. This is the perfect travel companion, taking up minimal space in your luggage while maximizing styling performance. Luxury hair care should feel effortless. Embrace the power of pure ionic care. Our hair dryer generates high concentration of negative ions that effectively break down water molecules for faster drying. These ions neutralize the positive static charge that causes frizz and flyaway, seamlessly smoothing the hair cuticle. The result is visibly transformed hair, up to 30% less frizz, enhanced shine, and supremely manageable locks. It leaves the hair sleeker and healthier after every use. We believe powerful styling should never come at the cost of hair health. Our advanced intelligent heat control system continuously monitors the air temperature up to 100 times per second, ensuring a consistent, safe heat that prevents extreme spikes. This vigilant protection safeguards your hair's natural proteins and moisture, significantly reducing the risk of heat damage over time. Style with confidence and unparalleled care. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.